Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video, I will be showing you on how you could go ahead and download and install Outlast Trials on your PC or laptop. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now first things first, just go ahead and open up any browser that you have, and inside, head over to google.com. You want to go ahead and search for Steam, and you will go ahead and get these results right here. Just go ahead and click on their official website, which is store.steampower.com. You want to go ahead and locate the install Steam button, and it is right beside your profile icon. Inside, you will then be able to see the install Steam. You want to go ahead and download the application and install it from there. After, go ahead and open up the Steam client that we have right here, and then you will be brought right through their storefront. You want to go ahead and search for your game. In our case, we are looking for Outlast Trials. So I'll just go ahead and type Outlast Trials right here, and then we'll get our results. Now after opening the Outlast Trials game, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you find the Buy Outlast Trials. Click on Add to Cart, View My Cart, and then inside you want to go ahead and continue by clicking on Continue to Payment. Go ahead and choose your preferred payment method, and then from there you will be able to download and install Outlast Trials on your computer or laptop. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.